Hey, good morning. It's another part of the Buick revival. We got the broken mirrors off. We're getting ready to do tie rods because, well, I don't know if you can, let's see. I can't get it with two, but this tie rod in. And the inside isn't much better. And the motor mounts are wasted. So we're doing the engine mount. And I think we're gonna start this morning with our front engine mount, which has, see if we can get you down here. I've got them out, so most of them out. There's one where I'm pointing with my light down there, see it? Two up over here, and three that need to come out. And I also have the jack, just lightly supporting the engine. And these are studs, 15 millimeter deep. Now on this other one, I had to get right down here because of the ABS module. I did have to get a 15 ratchet wrench and break it free, but once you get them broke free, I don't know if you can see down here from my hand, you can spin them out by hand. So there's that. And oh yeah, as you can see, this motor mount's just wasted. But we're gonna have to get us a 18 millimeter. There's the burned out headlight bulb. We got headlight bulbs in it. One was missing, one was burned out, so there's that. So let me grab the right extension and socket, and it should be an 18, and I'll be right back. All right? Cool. All right. We have an 18, a long extension in my half-inch drive impact here, and I'm just gonna, well, that wasn't even tight. And now we can pick up our bracket. You'll see where the 3 bolts go in. I think we'll clean it up and paint it. And let's just have a better look at that mount down here. Oh, it shouldn't do that. But I'm gonna go under and hit it with an 18 because there's an 18 stud on the bottom. And when that's off, I'll show you, okay? We got that 18 millimeter off the bottom. This is what they look like on the bottom. This is the new one. See how it looks? It's nice, but this one, and I shouldn't be able to move it this easy with one hand, and you can see where she's broke here. She's about to leave home. So I think it's good we're doing a new one. So now all we got to do is in reverse order, drop this down in here, just like so. Now I gotta go scrub up our mount. We'll be back. So we got Krylon gloss black, indoor outdoor. Got our bracket cleaned up and drying. But show you the carnage of this thing. This top separating and coming apart. We got some cracking and separating right through here. So the dry cracking. And then up here it's really bad. I mean, she has just completely left home. So I'm probably going to be doing the other mounts in this car too. That's pretty bad. So yeah, that's the ticket here. And as soon as this little guy gets dry, we're gonna, which still tacky, we're gonna install that. Sweet. Okay, so our bracket's dry, so we drop our bracket down on, and what I do is I'll just get down here with my hand, and you can screw these, start them all, and then screw them all the way in by hand. See, I just run them in by hand. So we'll get them in here. Now you can't see this one. It's in this one. See, I don't know if you can see that touching or not, but we just run them in by hand. I'll be back when we're ready to do the rest. Alright, I'm gonna see back up here, show you how I snug these up. So I got the wrench, you see it here on this one, and I just kind of go in with my hand, and we just push real good. A real good snugging. That's how I do this one, because I can't get my ratchet in there. So we'll just alright. That one's snug. Now for the others, I can get my deep ratchet on them. So I'll just go on those. We'll give them a heck of a snug. They were pretty tight when I pulled them off, so I'm gonna make sure they're pretty tight when they go back on. You know? Motor mount's not the type of thing you want coming loose. Same with wheels and tires, so we're gonna so that's what we're gonna do. Anyway, so we're gonna cut you off and come back when we're ready to put our nuts on, and we're going from there. Sweet. Alright, we got those all tightened up. Now we're ready to put that nut back on. That stud. And now that we got that one started, we'll go down below and just tighten this one up. And I'll show you where it goes. Since I didn't show it coming off, I will show it going back on. So, here's the nut down here. Okay? We're gonna get it started. Let me get the camera in my hand here where I can see, and I hope you can see. Alright. See this hole here? Sorry for spinning you around so much. This hole here, this nut, there's your stud. It's 18 millimeter, just like the top side. And there's the rear head of the jack, just gently supporting it. But there we can let the jack down with the nut. See? Didn't even leave a net. So now we'll just give her the old couple lug nuggies. She's tight. Now we'll give it a couple lug nuggies from the top side. I'm gonna need my extension. My socket, and right down here's the bolt. So we're just gonna, there we go. Couple lug-a-dugas. There we have it. Whoops. Yeah, I know. But there we have it. Motor mount replaced. Front wheel drive. Buick Lesabre. Pretty simple. That's it. Now we're going to come back in and deal with some tie rods. See if we can see this. Yeah, so it's pretty bad. I can do it with one hand. The other one's bad too. So that's another video. So I'm going to cut you off and we'll be back later.